Would you like to guess what this lovely yellow soup here is? Today, for 2 months of healthy eating, can you try to guess which is this soup? It's got like a lot of veggies in it. Do you think it's something like a dal shorba or something? Well, let me give you a hint. This is a veggie associated with Halloween. Can you guess? Hi, welcome to 3 Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra, and today at 3 Spoonsful we are going to check out a very easy soup recipe of pumpkin. That's right, this is pumpkin soup, and pumpkin is not a vegetable that I know people associate it with soups, but this I'm sure you all will love. It's super healthy as usual and it gets made pretty quickly. So let's see how to make it. To make this soup, I'm going to use a pressure cooker to boil the pumpkin basically. So I've just heated a pressure cooker and I'm putting in cubed pumpkin pieces into it. Along with that, I'm also adding an onion. Let's just add a bit of water, just enough to cover the veggies. It's not too much. It's not like we are going to get some great stock out of this. We are in fact going to use that water to blend it up. Then we'll add a little bit of salt. And when there's a boil in the pressure cooker, we'll just close the lid and leave it for 2 to 3 whistles. So once that's done, we let it cool down and let the pressure get released. And you can see that the pumpkin and the onion is completely and thoroughly cooked. So at this point, I want to puree both of it together. I'm just going to use an immersion blender to do that. You could obviously use a regular mixer, but since I was doing this when it's pretty hot, it's a little difficult to do it in the mixie. I'm just using this immersion blender and I'm getting the job done. So you can see that this lovely golden yellow color soup sort of is ready. So the first part of it is ready. So we'll just set that aside for now, and I've heated another pan to which I've added a little bit of oil. In this pan we are going to saute all the veggies that we are going to add to the soup. They just add a lovely crunch and give a nice color to the soup. So I'm adding all colors of capsicum or bell peppers and finely chopped carrots. I mean, if you could incorporate any other veggies you want, you're most welcome to do that. It's just like a bowl full of goodness, I think. It's a lovely thing to have as many veggies as you can in a soup. I think it just fulfills all your nutritional needs. So once those veggies are slightly done, we'll add the soup. And to adjust the consistency, I'm adding in a bit of water. So this soup is something that you can make in a matter of minutes if your meal prep is done. If you've planned for this soup for an evening, you can just chop up all your veggies and keep, and you can dice up your pumpkins, you can dice up the carrots and pressure cook it and keep in a jar or something. And then all you need to do is make the puree and saute the vegetables and add it together. I'm adding a bit of the salt. It's literally a bit of a salt because I've added it before as well. And then I'm adding pepper. And we mix this and let it come to a boil, and that's it. That's how easy this soup is. It's a great healthy alternative instead of just ordering in food, or when you're especially feeling a little hungry in the evenings. This is a great thing to have. So the soup is done. We are just going to plate it out. You could serve it with some bread, you could serve it with some carrot sticks, you could serve it with some breadsticks. Breadsticks is what I'm going to use to serve it. So if you like this series of healthy recipes, do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications when our videos go up. And here is our soup, looking all lovely, served up. I have served it with breadsticks, as I said, and it's a lovely warm cup of soup, especially perfect for all your wintry months coming up ahead. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to comment down below, like, share and subscribe to let us know what more recipes you would like to see in healthy eating series. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you.